Freeforg Motor Floaties are marketed as motorized inflatable floats that promise exciting rides on the water, easy control, and plenty of fun for lakes, pools, and calm waterways. But the real question is, does the quality actually match the claims? Now, to be fair, motorized floats are a real product category, and they can provide a fun recreational experience when used safely. What it does well: unique and entertaining design. A motorized float offers a different experience from a standard inflatable. Easy to operate. Most products in this category are designed with simple controls, where the hype falls apart. Inflatable construction has limits. This is the biggest issue. An inflatable is not as durable as a hard-shell watercraft. Performance may not match promotional videos. Speed, handling, and battery life often depend on real-world conditions. Battery runtime can be limited. Long sessions on the water may require recharging. So, does the quality match the claims? Short answer: partially. It may provide a fun experience if used as intended, but expecting premium durability and performance is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.